would like to give the floor to the Honorable Minister from Macedonia, Honorable Minister Dildovski, please.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I was university professor. I could speak 45 minutes, but I will stick to the time. It's my pleasure to address in this forum with such a distinguished participants. Many thanks to the Indonesia for great hospitality. The first priority of the government of Macedonia is to country to become member of NATO and EU. The agenda focus on increasing well-being of the all citizens, rule of law, equality, and high quality of education and health system. And these policies are directly linked with the SDG. In achieving these aims, our government cooperates with different international organizations like various UN agencies, the World Bank Group, and other partners. This cooperation I could explain in three important and impactful examples. First is the coverage of the preschool education in my country is around 25%, and our government aims to double it. Therefore, we work closely with the World Bank. We just signed a new project in order to improve the coverage of the early childhood education, and to enhance the quality of social and child protection. This is directly linked with the SDG 4. It is inclusive and equitable quality of education. In addition, in this year's budget, increased resources are used in order, and they are dedicated for employment and higher wages in the preschool education. We also built and reconstruct significant number of the kindergartens in the country, and these policies will be enhanced in the next year budget. About the second example, one of the first steps that the government made in 2017, it was increase of the minimum wage. Further, we have prepared a comprehensive reform of the social assistance and child protection system. One of the pillars of the reform is introduction of the guaranteed minimum income, which will be the first introduction in our region. With strong support of the World Bank, we also work of improvement of child and education allowances. Our goal is to improve the targeting of the social transfers and they to reach the vulnerable group of population. In addition, we aim to introduce fair taxation. Therefore, we will abolish the flat PIT and introduce the mild progressivity of the PIT. And of course, all of these measures are linked with the SDG 1, it is end of poverty, and SDG 10, reduced inequality. The third example is linked with the SDG 6. It is our commitment to ensure availability of water and sanitation for all citizens. Therefore, we are continuing our cooperation with the European Investment Bank in expanding water supply and the sewage system of Macedonia. In addition, EU supports strongly the construction of wastewater treatment plants. Also, I should not forget the extensive support that we are receiving from other IFIs as EBRD, World Bank, and KfW. At the end, it is my great pleasure that in 2 weeks from now, at the end of this month, we will celebrate 25 years presence of the World Bank in Macedonia. We will organize a conference dedicated to the human capital development, which is one of our main field of cooperation. I strongly believe that the governments, together with our partners, could achieve tangible progress in human capital development, and those activities will of course link with the SDG. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Honorable Minister. Now we need to know about what's happening in